Hello guys and welcome to another baking video. Today I prepared for you the recipe for gingerbread cake and it's very easy. I'm calling it like cup recipe. It means you just need cup, you don't have to measure or weigh anything, just use the cup. And yeah, should be easy. Baking time is about 20 minutes. We're gonna start with ingredients, so let's get into it. By the way, this is the first time me baking this cake in Canada, so I'm not sure how it will turn out, but we will see. Should be good. So for this recipe, you will need flour, then sugar, cocoa, milk, oil, gingerbread baking powder. This is very tricky because this is from Czechia. I believe that some European deli are selling these, or maybe people from Europe or Czechia know where you can buy it. So this is very tricky. You can't buy it probably here in Canada, like Canadian product, but you can take a look to some European deli. Then vanilla sugar and 1 egg. So now you will need bowl and cup. So first we need 2 cups of flour. Let's try it without mess also. Next we need 1 cup of sugar. Then 1 package of vanilla sugar. 1 package of gingerbread baking powder. For cocoa we need spoons. We need to put there 2 spoons of cocoa. Now we mix it. So we need half of cup of oil. 1 cup of milk. And 1 egg. Now we mix it. Now we need a baking mold. Now we're gonna put there our dough. So preparation took me about 10 minutes, maybe even less. It's very quick, very easy if you have all ingredients, obviously. So yeah, now it's time to bake it. So we have to set the oven for 338 Fahrenheit. So if you have another oven with degrees Celsius, it's 170, and we're gonna bake it about 20 minutes. So now we have to wait 20 minutes. The best way how to find out if it's done is that you take the wood stick and poke it, and if it's not sticky, it's done. So we will find out after 20 minutes.
A few moments later.
if it's done. Definitely not. So we need more. So I put it back to the oven. I searched and I found out that baking time of this gingerbread cake would be between 20 to 40 minutes. So for now I extended time for 10 minutes more, and we will see. I will try it again, and if nothing, I will set it to another 10 minutes more. So I extended time for 35 minutes. So let's see if it's done. Looks like we are good now. Now the last part. The last part is topping. There are two options. You can put just powdered sugar on the top, or you can put jam and chocolate. So I think I'm gonna do both. One half with powdered sugar and one half with jam and chocolate. So one half I'm gonna use strawberry jam and this chocolate topping, and for the other half I'm gonna use powdered sugar. So we are done. Now we have to let it cool down, and later in this video I'm gonna do taste test for you. It looks very good, it smells so good, and I'm gonna put the recipe right after this shot and see you in a while during the taste test. So I am back. In meantime, we went to the pool and the gingerbread cake cooled down. So it's time for a taste test. So this is the final result. Looks better than the cake before we baked together, but yeah, I think good. Let's taste it. I'm gonna start with the dry one. This is the classic one, that's amazing. But if you want more flavored, the other one is a good option. It tastes exactly like home. That's so delicious. I love it. I love it. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments below how did you like this recipe. You have to try it, but you have to find the gingerbread baking powder because it's very difficult to buy it. But as I mentioned, you can go to take a look to some European deli or some Euro store, you know, maybe they will have. I will ask my mommy to bring me more. She's coming next month, I think. Baking time was 35 minutes, so it's not 20 minutes but about 35, but you can test it as I showed you, like with the food stick, and if it's not sticky it's done. So I really do recommend to try it if you have chance to find gingerbread baking powder. Let me know in the comments below if you like these videos. As I mentioned, I have so many ideas for baking, so I can do more videos like this because I still have so many recipes I could show you. As always, I would be really happy for a like and comment, and especially subscribe, so don't forget to subscribe, that's important, and you don't miss any of my other videos. They are sometimes fun. No, they are always fun. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.